Introduction. Being in practice for over 20 years as a lightworker, healer, teacher, life soul, and spiritual advisor and channel, I have had the profound privilege of preparing souls to awaken to their true higher selves in preparation for the shift to fourth and fifth dimensional living. The preparation is both personal and for the benefit of society as well. I am humbled by this mission at this time on planet Earth, as I have been waiting and preparing for it for many lifetimes. 1,100 to my knowledge. I am the facilitator for Source through the Teachers of Light, Archangel Metatron, Mother Mary, Mary Magdalene, and Yeshua, to name a few, of a virtual football field filled with the light and love of these higher beings and archangels. They are my loves, my family, my heart, and my very essence. We are co-creators of the new Earth and the ascension of Mother Earth and humanity, as are all of you. In complete surrender, my life is committed to this mission, and every step of the way, I am guided to what each individual needs for healing, and what the community needs as a whole for growth, myself included. It is April 11th, 2020, as I complete this book. Our lives have experienced a complete upheaval by the appearance of the coronavirus. This is one of the biggest blessings we are ever to receive as humanity, as this is the beginning of the creation of the new golden age. Great darkness is being removed at this time, which has held this planet and its people hostage for thousands of years. We have been placed on lockdown as a country and are experiencing the pain of all global citizens in navigating this time. There is great opportunity and grace being given. The removal from outside distractions has provided an opportunity to go deep within through quiet introspection. Are we creating new priorities? Are we realizing how little we actually do need materially to be safe and provided for? Have we realized that we are working for companies that are void of integrity and do not value us or anyone for that matter? Are we in our heart space with gratitude for all that is occurring no matter what? Are we embracing the adversity as thank you, or are we angry, fearful, riddled with anxiety, and unwilling to accept what is truly occurring? When given the chance, are we helping those who cannot help themselves? Or are we continuing to be self-serving, generated by fear? We are all awakening. There are no exceptions. We must be responsible for what has come before and be clear that we will not be returning to that, as it is unsustainable for humanity and for Mother Earth. If you are resisting, you are being triggered by unresolved trauma, whether from childhood or throughout your life. Unresolved trauma and the emotions associated with it will be continuously brought to you in various experiences until addressed. There is also fear associated with stepping into your true self, as many are unaware of what that looks like. All things unfamiliar are uncomfortable at first. It is a life of joy, peace, and freedom, as it is who you truly are, as I share in my first book, Divine Gifts of Healing, My Life with Spirit. You cannot resolve trauma and victimization without forgiveness of yourself first and foremost, followed by all others that you feel have done things to you. There is a great difference from forgiveness from your ego and forgiveness from higher self or spirit. I honor and acknowledge you for stepping into this journey and taking on forgiveness with this work. It takes courage to be personally responsible for how your life goes. I am humbled and honored to facilitate this work with you. As you take this step, the Teachers of Light, Ascended Masters, Archangels, and Spirit Guides are cheering wildly and are right at your side. They hold and embrace you in unconditional love, as do I. Shine on. Healing love and light, Cat.